It has been confirmed. The withdrawal processing has been processed into my bank account from Uphold to my bank account. It only took a couple of days. As you see here, the transaction started on May 15th, 2021 at 9:50, and now it has been confirmed in the bank account with the C right there. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, because this is the place to be to grow your brand and grow your bank account. And this right here can definitely help you grow your bank account, but you got to make sure you're patient, and you also got to follow steps. Make sure your Uphold account is secure. So click on the link below to log into your Uphold account, and make sure you get the Google Authenticator app, which tie into your actual account. This two-step verification is important in this process. Now, I did a video a couple of days ago about withdrawing the XRP here, just more of an example. And what I did was I wanted to show you that it is possible. It doesn't take as long, and I did a small amount. As you see here, you see withdraw XRP on May 15th. Even though it says processing here, it's in the bank account right there. Cause that means it's processed, and you see the proof there as well. Now, Uphold is one of those exchanges that allows you to buy and sell XRP and among other actually assets. So the biggest thing I would tell you is to try to do smaller amounts. Now, this is not necessarily financial advice, but if you're trying to do some type of transaction, maybe the first one you do any small amounts. Just like over here that says anything to anything. Make sure you have your assets and your bank account set up. Just like this. If I was trying to sell Zillow account, I'm going to do this. I'll put the amount of how many I'm trying to sell. I'm going to set up my actually currency. I'm going to leave it to USD. I'm going to leave it USD, but I can change it. I'm going to use that USD. And then I'm going to tie into my bank account. That's all I did. That's it. I can add another bank account, or I can use my existing one. And then right there, I can sell the 0.68 Zilliqa and receive 11 cents, preview withdrawal. And this is where I was talking about earlier, making sure your Google Authenticator app is set up properly, or your Microsoft Authenticator app is set up properly. You'll get a 6-digit code right from your cell phone. So download the Authenticator app from your cell phone. It's really simple and easy to do. And you can click on Get Help, and it will definitely walk you through the steps. I'll have a link to this actually article and this information right below this video as well. Just come right here, and then what is in the Authenticator app, click there, and then click on any of these to download the app. I suggest, this is my opinion, I like Google Authenticator because it was simple and easy to do, and it recognized my phone, my Android mobile device. It connected right to my Uphold account. So just follow the steps, click on there, and then follow these steps here. It's 1 through 5. Install it, just like it says here, follow 1 through 5. So I just needed to go over that real fast, because a lot of times when you're trying to withdraw or trying to purchase, you forget about this here. Now, here's another thing. It does say 5 to 7 days, business days to settle. That is true, to settle overall in the actually complete transaction. But to actually go into your bank account, it really depends on your bank. Now, on my bank account, if you really look at it, it only took not very long. May 15th, the transaction was started, and then May 17th, it started being processing, and then May 18th, which is today, is confirmed. Now, it usually don't take that long. It really depends on your bank. I don't know. It really depends how fast your bank is to accept the information. So really, it depends on that process there. So 5 to 7 business day is the actually amount of time that Uphold allows the whole transaction to be completed on both ends. Now, check your bank. Maybe your bank may take a little while. Maybe it could be something with the processing between the bank and Uphold. But I'm just showing you this, that it didn't take as long, and I'm patient by it because I understand this is a process. When you're doing this, this is a process. So the biggest thing I would tell you, if you're purchasing XRP or any other asset that's on here, just be sure just to follow the steps. Go ahead and purchase. You know how to purchase it. You know how to purchase it. And if you don't know how to purchase it, I can go over that again. So you can tie your bank account, and then from here, down here, you just find your asset, your cryptocurrency. Click on there, and then you just find your assets that's all the way down here, and you just purchase it. So the biggest thing I want you to do is, check this out, is just trust the process. Email Uphold support or customer service. You can put some information in the comment line if you're having problems with, just doing this whole type of process. But I'm gonna let you know it does work. Be patient. This could be a really, really good thing for your bank account, because we go your bank account and then this is XRP. Yeah, you know me. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off here. Don't forget, guys, to watch the old videos that I started with in the beginning. First, I started out moving my Ledger Nano X XRP funds or profits or coins to Uphold. Then I sold it on Uphold. Then we actually withdraw it, and then now it's processed. So it did about 2 or 3 videos that walk you through the steps. And as you see here, it's finally on May 18th. It is a done deal. It's processed, ready to go. All right. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. If you got any questions, you can put it in the comment line. Put it in the comment line to any questions or any type of videos you want me to do. That's going to help grow your bank account or even grow your brand. And when I mean by brand, it could be anything on social media that kind of helps you grow as a person, as a business owner, as a personality, anything like that. In the bank account is things about tips and strategies and different things like this, because I was getting a lot of information about, okay, you know what? I'm trying to withdraw my bank account. I don't know where to start. Well, here's the thing. Go back and watch the videos. Take a deep breath. The biggest thing I would say on this before I sign off, the biggest thing is making sure the security is set up. I can't stress that enough. Make sure your security is set up. Just like it says here, to recover 2-step verification access. I already have it. I don't have to recover it. But make sure your security is set up. That's 6-digit, because you want to make sure your stuff is secure. I can't stress that enough, because sometimes we forget this step, and I'm telling you, I've got the information right below this video to make sure you do that. But then after that, follow the steps that I did before the videos and withdraw your information, your bank account information. If it's not listed on here, contact Uphold. So if your bank account information that's not on here, contact Uphold, or you may have to go a different way in terms of withdrawing your funds. Okay, thank you for watching this once again. I'll see you on the next video. Click on the link below to get your Uphold account or to download the Google Authenticator app, and I'll see you on the next video.